In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bug tracker in Notion. A simple tutorial perfect for beginners looking to streamline their project management process. Notion is a powerful tool that allows you to organize and manage information efficiently. And creating a bug tracker is a great way to make use of its versatile features. To begin with, open Notion and start by creating a new database. You can do this by selecting the option to add a new page. Once your new page is set up, click on the Database option. This will be the backbone of your bug tracking system, allowing you to input and manage all relevant data in one organized space. Now that you have your database ready, the next step is to customize it to suit your needs by adding specific properties. Properties are essentially various fields that you can fill out for each bug entry. You'll want to add a priority field to indicate how urgent or severe each bug is. Besides, include a status field to show whether a bug is open, in progress, or resolved. Lastly, you'll want an assigned to property to keep track of which team member is responsible for addressing each bug. Adjusting these properties will add depth to your database, making it far more functional and informative. As your bug tracker begins to take shape, it's crucial to implement filters that help you focus on the most pressing issues. In this case, you can set up filters to highlight urgent bugs effectively, ensuring they receive the attention they